Morgan Housel is a renowned financial writer and investor who has been writing about money and investing for over a decade. In The Psychology of Money, Housel examines the psychological and behavioral factors that affect our relationship with money. In this video, we will be discussing the 5 key takeaways from the book. These takeaways will help you understand the power of compounding, overcome psychological biases, balance risk and return, develop a personalized financial plan, and cultivate non-monetary wealth. Key takeaway 1: Time is wealth. The first key takeaway from The Psychology of Money is that time is one of the most valuable assets when it comes to building wealth. One of the most powerful tools for growing your money over time is compounding. This means that when you invest your money, you earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns that your investment generates over time. Over the long term, this compounding effect can make a huge difference in the growth of your wealth. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 in a fund that earns a 7% annual return. After 10 years, your investment would be worth $19,671. But if you left that money invested for another 10 years, it would grow to $38,697. That's the power of compounding. Investing early and patiently is key to taking advantage of this compounding effect. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to benefit from the power of compounding. And by being patient and avoiding impulsive decisions, you can allow your investments to grow and compound over time. Of course, investing comes with risks, and it's important to have a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By focusing on the long term and staying disciplined in your investment strategy, you can harness the power of time to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. So, remember, time is wealth, and by investing early, being patient, and staying disciplined, you can maximize the power of compounding and achieve financial success. Key takeaway 2: Money and emotions. The second key takeaway from The Psychology of Money is that our emotions and psychological biases can have a powerful impact on our financial decisions. One of the most common biases that affect our financial decisions is loss aversion. This means that we tend to feel the pain of losses more strongly than the pleasure of gains. As a result, we may be more likely to make decisions based on fear or anxiety rather than rational analysis of the facts. Another bias is overconfidence, which can lead us to take on excessive risks or make overly optimistic assumptions about the future. To overcome these biases, it's important to develop a rational mindset and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or biases. This may involve taking a step back and analyzing the situation objectively, considering all the available information, and seeking out advice from trusted sources. It's also important to maintain emotional balance while investing. Emotions such as fear, greed, and panic can lead to poor investment decisions, while maintaining a sense of calm and balance can help you stay focused on your long-term goals. So, whether you're investing in the stock market or planning your retirement, it's important to be aware of your emotions and biases and to develop a rational mindset and a disciplined approach to decision-making. By doing so, you can overcome these biases and make smart, strategic choices that will help you achieve your financial goals. Key takeaway 3: Risks and returns. The third key takeaway from The Psychology of Money is that investing involves balancing risk and return to achieve your financial goals. Investments always carry a degree of risk, and the potential returns are directly related to the level of risk. Higher-risk investments may offer greater potential returns, but they also carry a greater chance of loss. On the other hand, lower-risk investments may offer more stability, but may also provide lower returns. To manage risk, it's important to diversify your investments across a range of asset classes and industries. This can help reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Asset allocation, or dividing your portfolio among different types of investments, can also help manage risk and achieve a balance between growth and stability. It's also important to have a risk management strategy in place, which may include setting stop-loss orders, maintaining a cash reserve, and regularly reviewing your investments to make sure they still align with your goals and risk tolerance. When it comes to balancing risk and return, there are trade-offs to consider. High-risk investments may offer the potential for higher returns, but they also carry a greater chance of loss. Lower-risk investments may provide more stability, but may also offer lower returns. Ultimately, the key to managing risk and achieving your financial goals is to strike a balance between risk and return that aligns with your personal situation, financial goals, and risk tolerance. By diversifying your investments, allocating your assets wisely, and developing a risk management strategy, you can achieve a balance between risk and return that helps you achieve your financial goals over the long term. Key takeaway 4: Personalized finance. The fourth key takeaway from The Psychology of Money is the importance of developing a financial plan that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. To start, it's important to set financial goals that align with your personal priorities and values. These goals could include things like saving for retirement, paying off debt, or saving for a down payment on a house. Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can start creating a budget that will help you achieve them. Creating a budget can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your expenses and income for a few months to get an idea of where your money is going. From there, you can identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and redirect that money toward your financial goals. It's also important to track your progress regularly to ensure you're staying on track. This could involve regularly checking your bank and investment accounts, as well as reviewing your budget to see if any adjustments need to be made. Personal values and priorities can also have a significant impact on financial decisions. For example, some people may prioritize experiences over material possessions, while others may value stability and security above all else. It's important to align financial decisions with personal values to ensure that they are fulfilling and sustainable over the long term. By developing a personalized financial plan, setting goals, creating a budget, and aligning financial decisions with personal values, you can achieve financial success and peace of mind. Remember, everyone's financial situation is unique, so it's important to tailor your approach to your individual needs and goals. Key takeaway 5: Beyond monetary wealth. The final key takeaway from The Psychology of Money is the idea that wealth is not just about money, but encompasses a range of factors such as relationships, health, and personal fulfillment. While money is certainly important, it's not the only factor that contributes to a fulfilling life. In fact, research has shown that once we have enough money to meet our basic needs, additional income doesn't necessarily lead to greater happiness or life satisfaction. So what are some strategies for cultivating non-monetary wealth? One approach is to invest in experiences rather than things. Experiences, such as travel or attending concerts, can create lasting memories and provide a sense of fulfillment that material possessions often can't match. Another key factor in non-monetary wealth is relationships. Strong relationships with friends, family, and community can provide a sense of belonging and support that. Investing time and effort into building and maintaining these relationships can have a significant impact on overall well-being. Finally, it's important to achieve a balance between financial and non-financial goals. While it's important to strive for financial success, it shouldn't come at the expense of other important areas of life. Setting goals in areas such as health, personal growth, and relationships can help ensure that you're pursuing a well-rounded and fulfilling life. In summary, wealth is not just about money. Cultivating non-monetary wealth through experiences, relationships, and personal fulfillment can have a significant impact on overall well-being. By achieving a balance between financial and non-financial goals, you can build a fulfilling life that goes beyond monetary wealth. In this video, we've discussed the 5 key takeaways from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. We hope these insights and strategies have been valuable for you. If you're interested in learning more, we highly recommend reading The Psychology of Money for a deeper dive into these topics. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and engaging content.